Let's get one thing straight. You ain't a killer, you just talk a lot. Told my the Monica Lewinsky and she gon' off his top. Everything they
hold up. Tell my the Monica Lewinsky she gon' off his top. Woosaah. Feed me grapes. Shotgun Suge this. Now I don't know where this all started. I don't. But what I can tell you for sure is that I'm here for it. You not? Woosaah is one of the head honchos in charge in terms of like one of them leaders of the new school. These guys aren't playing with any of these guys that's from their class, nor are they playing with any of the legends.
just incredible.
So apparently him and Suge been going back and forth. And they say Summer Madness coming, and homie is petitioning for the Summer Madness stage. And if he stay on this course, I'm pretty sure URL gonna be at homie back door, knocking just like this. B's gonna be knocking first. Smack gonna be sitting right there beside him, talking about, yeah son, trying to get bruh to sign the contract to be on the Summer Madness stage. I'm here. Suge, I don't know if you heard, but buddy outside, man. And he outside for all the dumb shit. You see that cover art. Cover art is crazy. Feed me grapes. That's different. Different, bruh. We talking about programming the minds to let the world know, or the battle rap community know, he's a killer. And it's promo. You know, the thing is with, you know, this new era in battle rap, like guys just don't promo. You know, they expected, you know, they obviously expected to sign the contract, but once they sign the contract, they feel as though that's it. Now it's just time we, you know, we rehearse and we wait till we get to the stage in battle rap. Like, it's like, nah, like get the people interested in all your matches. Like, this is, you know, 101 with how to become a star. Like, you got to stay in the faces of the people. You got to get the people to love you, love your personality, love your rhymes, and just love how you maneuver and becoming a star in this shit, man. But Woosaah is one of those guys. So here we are, Shotgun Suge this. Without further ado, my guy, it is right back on you. And I'm hearing Suge just dropped. So you know we gonna get to that. You know we gonna get to that. Let's go, Woosaah.
A big doofy nigga trying to hide, but you ain't hard to spot.
Big doofy trying to hide. Talk, nigga, talk.
But you ain't putting up no money on his books. That's a shame. You rep the gang and try to act like you a crook. I'm plugged in. We know the truth about all them chains them niggas took. But you a shooter? I ain't trying to hear it. You only slide in lyrics.
Come on.
Grapes die. Turn them into wine and
spirits. Oh, make sure them grapes die. Turn them into wine and spirits is crazy. Yo, Woosaah just battled New Jersey Twork. This is a shameless plug. Straight Drop Media. Y'all make sure y'all get over there and tap in with the battle. Homie got crazy. With New Jerus. Like, he's making his mark with some of the best of them right now. And like I've stated in one of the videos when we reviewed, you know, a particular situation with Woosaah, I've told y'all, dog know how to rap. And as you can hear, he really liked that though. Really though.
I'm tired of all the lies you're giving. Meet me on that big stage. You go back to Survivor Series.
Come on, man.
I know the guys are where you from. You making food, or that's a bet. You selling wings, I got a drum.
That nigga say you making food, or that's a bet. You selling wings, I got a drum. Bruh, bugging on this bitch.
Really want this status. Catch you coaching at his game and turn that shit to target practice.
Damn.
Time's up, clocking niggas out. You hear that tick tick, catch a bullet, hit the other side. This shit a pick six. Really tapped in. I caught out some sick shit.
Right.
Chris Angel, David Blaine. Don't make me hit up trick.
Although the trick situation is dead and over with. Yo, hey, the trick bar is still gonna hit. They still gonna hit, Suge. I'm sorry. Especially when they piecing the shit like that together. That's fire.
Every rap I write like Martin, I got some pain in
Right.
it. Bitch, I'm here for you. Don't try to call and get your gang in it. Word to Easy E, all of that shit you speak in vain sickening. I don't
Wow.
wanna hear about
Oh
your
my
status.
God,
You a
my
has
nigga,
been.
that's
Yeah,
different.
you getting active, but it's trash. You getting bad wins. What's your life like? I guarantee you that it's trifling. You can't ask me what my life like, cause I might get indicted. Word to
That
plug,
nigga
don't
said
get
you
no
can't ask me what my life like. I might just get indicted. Reality raps. Not only do homie punch crazy, but it's the reality substance for me. I mean, if you ain't living your raps, then what you doing it for? You know, I've always been a huge supporter of those who just, you know, spill their truth in their rhymes, man. Like, I feel like those are the best rhymers out when they not just fabricating shit, but tell me your life story. Like that, I like that type of shit. That's just me, though.
I see
Go.
let's talk battle rap back in your whole career.
Yeah.
Garbage in my eyes, ain't focused up in some years.
Come
Nigga
on.
smack hit my line, then you know that bro getting killed. This your last supper, watch how you overdose on the meal.
Come
you know
on.
I'm smoking for real. Let's see who rock this shit the best. Just watch your mouth if you respond, cause I done shot niggas for less.
Come
Pussy.
on. This shit fire. Facts. Smack. Beasley. Come on. What we doing? What we doing? Alright, hold up, man. We finna go to this Suge record.
Niggas throwing shots and I just seen the tweet. You was living with your parents, I was banging in the street. I was cutting coke with Ashman, doing anything to eat. Woosaah, I robbed them.
I was doing anything to eat Woosaah. Nigga, Suge, this beat so fire. With the temple and boot and all that. Yeah. Let's get back to it, Suge. Fuck this nigga talking about.
No one from the ladder, get no balance on his feet. They be taking out his teeth, cause he thinking shit sweet. I know real blood niggas that you can't even piece. We live from the streets.
Come on. He said he ain't really woo like that.
He gon' die if he reach. No real die moves and really got it out the mud. He a G, but I seen him run around with one blood. You ain't blood. You don't be macking with the thugs. You ain't never get.
They got the one blood beat. Yeah, Suge.
Yo, Suge.
Woosah!
Just incredible.
Woosah! Nigga, you ain't ready for this? You not ready for this for real. Suge just flipped the one blood beat and then it goes back to the original joint. Nope, we're going back.
You ain't never get your rounds, you ain't just one. You don't rock a red rag on your gun. You ain't shine, you don't really rock shades for the sun. You's a bitch.
Wow, that's crazy.
All the big bros and know you not that. Summer madness coming around, you know you gon' choke. You named yourself Woo, Dick Ride and Pop Smoke.
Wow, then he Dick Ride and Pop. May his soul rest in peace. See, both of them not playing fair for real. We got one of those. And it's the battle even set up already? Why it sound like the battle set up? If the battle was already set up, this is great promotion. The story is already told. It's already told. We don't need no more. We don't need nothing else at all. We don't need nothing else. Say swear to God. So they just told me Woo just dropped, bro. Oh boy. Bro, they just said Woo just dropped, fam. Bro, it ain't been 2 hours. It ain't been no more than 2 hours. He really did. Nigga Woo really did, bruh. Oh yeah. Hold up. We gotta finish this though. Let's fucking go.
broke. Don't rap about no coke. For a key, I set you through. Ask Smack when he met me, I was standing on my block.
Facts.
With a purple rag, 100 pounds of rock.
Right.
We can shoot, we can fight, I can box.
Facts.
Put you in the backyard,
Go.
put you on the clock.
Go.
No real shine niggas,
Yeah.
pop out and blind niggas. I know some G's that come out and find niggas. Don't speak on me and surf, you's a dick rider. Put
Come
this
on.
Smack to his mouth like it's lip liner.
Right.
I see your bitch with a kid, I'm a zip tire.
Damn. Smack on your mouth. This nigga said lip liner. Come on, catch you out with your kids. Zip tie.
Vest in the fish fryer. Use a fan, yeah, I said I really seen it. If Jim get on cam, then you know I really
Mean it.
I'm too old to be sliding on the op.
Right.
North, I put 80 perks on your top. You like Carl Winslow, the face of a cop.
That nigga said you like Carl Winslow, the face of a cop. Come on, Suge.
About to make a bitch out of Woo, Jada Pinkett. Saying my fucking name, nigga.
That's it.
Summer madness this, summer madness that, nigga. I've been doing that, nigga.
Facts.
Welcome to my world,
Nigga Suge, what he gonna do is little boy these
Joke,
niggas.
Don't play with me, nigga.
Facts.
Crazy. You know what the fuck I do up there, nigga? Stop playing, man. As soon as I tell Beasley it's going down, it's going the fuck down.
Right. Yo, this beat crazy. Hold up, we gotta see what Woo talking about. They said bruh dropped already. Let's get to that.
Kept that weak ass diss to yourself, nigga. I keep more in the clip every time, nigga. Pop out. You know, tired of playing with you old niggas, man. Let's get it. I was fuck Woosaah. Last nigga got his top fried. Wanna be an animal? We putting them on Fox 5. Swear you big.
Come on, man.
Dub, you are not live. You try to run in the cut, I'ma burn them like peroxide. To the cage.
Try to run in the cut, I'ma burn them like peroxide. Woo just, man, I don't know too many that can keep up with dog in this frequency. The Suge just dropped today, fam, and they said bro already dropped. Suge was on the clock. It ain't even been 24 hours, fam, and Woo is right back outside. If niggas is not keeping up with this frequency, homie, it's gonna be the one. Suge, you might be in trouble, fam. Look at the cover art. Look. His cover art is even better than Suge shit. The cover art. Suge might be done, bruh.
Set, respect that. The tech clap, aim, bang straight with your neck at.
Right.
You wrapped on one blood, boy, you pushing your setback. I'm sliding through Jersey, blow it up like a meth lab. You say I'm not official, but I
Then he responded to the record that Suge just put out.
To a deal. I can slap the bitch out you if you trying to get for real. Boy got a boxing league cause he ain't confident to kill. Get it straight. You a great nigga, gotta be trolling. It's the first great to get popped and he leaving out rolling. You say I'm not a
It's the
thug.
first great to get popped and nigga leaving out rolling. You know rolling. Yeah, Suge. Yo, Suge, this nigga is a problem,
Oh,
bruh.
you thought I never heard you used to be a blood? Typical dick rider. Switch
Oh
sides,
my
say you
God.
so coke and you keep lying.
Go.
Nigga went from rain to the blue police side.
Ow.
Say you gon' smoke me, that's a lie, but keep trying.
Go.
Yeah, my name Woosaah, I'm putting that piece by you. Chuck it up. Last 5 battles, you done fucked it up. Try to drive off, clap your brakes like a huddle up. You don't sell drugs, little nigga, you a customer. I can tell the way your mouth white when you was coming up. And you name yourself.
Oh, Suge, he used to be white though. Oh. From the sounds of it, Suge, I don't think you got enough, my brother. I don't. He up. He up. Clearly, he's up on the scoreboard, Suge. What you gonna do? Young boy wildin' on Suge.
Suge, I'ma snoop right by you. Let 2 fly by you. You ain't really did a bid. You a proud father. I smack the shit out of them.
Damn.
Shit, purple flag killer, I'm on other shit. Brand new 40, gotta scratch it like a bucket list. You talk
Wow.
about shines one more time, you can suck a dick. No pass, get belt the ass like your mother did. Pussy, I am not a fan. Get a
Wow.
shot, you need a sonogram.
Yeah.
Jersey bitch nigga like Joanna Man. Raise out the way to the store.
Joanna Man,
Motherfucker,
classic.
Shotgun, but you don't go engage in war.
Ah, you named Shotgun, but you don't go engage in war? Come on! Suge ain't saying shit like
the
that.
I really trapped with the packs, had the ace in the store. Make your bitch suck my dick till her face getting sore. She got locked for petty theft and can't take it no more. Keep it cool, I mean you cool, but you ain't fucking with me. You gon' end up with an abscess bumping your teeth. Watch your act work the smack, cause I fuck with the bees. I can knock them watts down to 103.
I can knock them watts down to 100.
When he die, his time moves, ain't nothing to see. Everywhere nigga walk and keep the gun in the brief. This shit is madness, it's looking like
coming to me, nigga. This shit crazy. Hold up, man. That's it. There you have it. I'm gonna end that video right there. So as you can hear, Shotgun, Suge, and Woosaah is turning out to be one of them ones. Smack. Get the announcement. Get the announcement, Smack. Oh yeah, this is gonna be one of those. Oh boy. Y'all let me know what you think. Drop it down in the commentary section below. It's the boy Fanatic. You can call me PLO. I think it's about that time. I gotta go get to some dough.
Candy, 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 candy coated raindrops, candy coated, my candy rain, oh my candy rain.